Hello everyone. So the word acha in Urdu has so many different meanings depending on the intonation, the context, and just different scenario. So it basically means nice or good, and it's used in an adjective. For example, वो अच्छा आदमी है. He's a good man. वो अच्छा आदमी है. He is a good man. और आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. It was nice to meet you. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. But it is used as an acknowledgement as well. Like, okay, I see, right, fine. So you'll say acha, acha ji. Ji is usually attached with it. Acha ji. Or you don't have to attach ji. You can just say acha. For example, tum dawai khao. Eat medicine. Say acha. Okay, so you're acknowledging the person. You can change and elongate it as well. Like, you say acha. So, it kind of changes the meaning, and that means like it's like surprise, it's showing shock. Acha. You'll say acha. So it's like inquisitive and you're not really sure. You say acha. So it's a bit sarcastic as well. You can just say acha. So it's a gentle agreement. There are different nuanced versions. If you like these kind of shorts and grammar videos, go to the link in the description box.